So I'm Ian Harris. I'm the lead organiser of Montpelier Window Wanderland. This is the first time we've run the event. It's been hopefully a success. So I started Montpelier Window Wanderland because I went to see the event in Bishopston, which is just up the road in Bristol, last year, and I just was completely taken by the event. There were hundreds of people on the streets, and it just struck me that it was a brilliant community event, something that brought community together for a weekend, and the lights come on and people have put on a display. It takes some work. You've definitely got to put in some hours of organisation. So the first thing is to go to the website, sign up and have a look to see what's on there. The next step is to try and put together a small team of people to make it happen. Then it's to get yourself some funding. I think it's important to get a little bit of core funding at the beginning. You're given on the website a toolkit and it gives some really clear instructions about how to go about the whole process. It's got information on marketing, on social media, on workshops in schools. It's really superb and enables you to make the event happen. Having done it the first time, I think certainly I've built up the network of people who hopefully will help to replicate it in years to come.